Is it just me, or is your brain like a high performance engine that only runs on one specific type of fuel? Look, I can spend 14 hours straight, deep in the weeds of complex leasehold title, because my brain is locked in on the pattern. But if you ask me for a simple task like putting away the dishes or helping with the laundry, it's like trying to run an 800 horsepower motor on water. No ignition, followed by hydrolock. It's not that I'm lazy or above the small stuff. It's that my executive function requires interest to fire the combustion cycle. And without that fuel, the system stays cold. I've had to explain it to my partner this way. I'm not avoiding the task, I'm just waiting for the ignition. Drop a like if you're a high performer who sometimes struggles with the easy stuff.